YouTube! What's up, guys? It's your boy James back with another video. Now, I know that we're still in August, but your boy's moving on to September, and I hope you guys don't mind. But today, I'm going to be giving you guys a first early look at the Air Jordan 5 Oreo that is scheduled to drop on September 11th with a retail price tag of $190. As always, I would like to take a moment out just to thank all my returning viewers and subscribers for all your support. Thanks for taking time out of your busy life to stop over here to see what I'm up to. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make content on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you like content like that, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop videos and you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so in this box right here, I have the Air Jordan 5 Oreo 2021 version. Now this is scheduled to be dropping on September 11th with a retail price tag of $190. Now the original OG Oreo 5s dropped way back in 2013. Now in those days, it was popular, people liked the sneaker and everything, but they sort of sat for a little bit. So, you know, now that they're re-retroing them in 2021, I'm actually interested to see if people are really going to like them as much as they did way back then. Now these just came in the mail and I actually picked these up from GOAT. And let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so right out of the box, you will have the black lid with the white Jumpman on it. And then you will have this, you know, like black and white checkered pattern, cement, you know, like you would on, you know, any other 4s or 5s. But this is just black and white, gives it that Oreo appearance. Alright, so the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 5 Retro Black Cool Gray White. And this is a personal pair, size 8. And I'll give you guys an up close look at the size tag. Alright, when you open up the box, you will get that cement gray and white paper right there. And let's take our first up close look at the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. Bam! Now I will be doing a full detailed review and an on feet for this sneaker whenever it gets closer to the release day. But I just want to give you guys a first early look at it. So we'll start by doing a 360 just so you can see the sides and the front of the sneaker. You will get that Jordan Jumpman in gray on the back. You do get a Jordan Jumpman in gray on the tongue. You do get like this nubuck suede. Pretty much the entire body of the sneaker right there. You get a white sock liner in there. You do get this clear lace holder with a black lace lock. You know, it's just a basic white and black sneaker overall. You know, here's what the bottom of the sneaker looks like. I'm not the biggest Air Jordan 5 Retro fan. I do purchase certain colorways here and there. But my first impression of this sneaker is, this is clean, this is nice. I'm actually impressed with the materials on it. It's not bad. It's not top quality or anything like that, but it's not bad at all. And here's a shot of the right sneaker, and I'll just give you guys a quick 360 on this one as well, the way that we did on the left sneaker. There's obviously no differences or anything like that. The sneakers are exactly the same. Now, I do think that whenever this drops, it will sell out. This was a sneaker that back in the day people did like, so people who are big fans of the Retro 5s are definitely going to be going after this sneaker right here. It's just a nice basic clean colorway. I think it's going to, you know, do really well in the colder months. So as we start getting into fall and stuff like that, I think that this sneaker will look really good with, you know, some sweat outfits, some hoodies, some tracksuits and stuff like that. You know, whatever people normally wear whenever it gets a little bit colder out, especially here on the East Coast. So I do think that this sneaker will do well in my opinion. You know, it's not like a hype release or anything like that. This isn't like the most hype release of 2021. But I do think that this sneaker is going to be a little bit popular. I do think people will be going after it. And I think people will be happy with it whenever they do get it. But let me know down in the comments section what you think about the Air Jordan 5 Oreo 2021. Is this a sneaker that is on your radar? Are you thinking about picking this up? Is this a must cop for you? Is this a pass for you? Let me know down in the comment section below. I would like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. It really does help to put my videos out in front of more people and helps my channel grow. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content when I drop videos. And until next time, peace.